Welcome to Code 5 Art. Today is a letter study, and I've moved on all the way to letter G. If you keep on looking in the descriptions, you're going to find links to all of these. And then now I'm on G, and I'm just going to dive in. This time around, I'm going to do some drips in various parts. I'm going to have a power line too, but I'm going to let the drips go wherever seems like it's fun. This guy right here, a little fancy little G. It's a shout out to Greg out there. This one's for you, bud. I hope that was somewhat entertaining. Go ahead and let me know which is your favorite. Oh, one last thing. Forgot about the pencil marks. Ooh. Let's clean up. Alright, I think that's all for today. You guys have a wonderful day.